So summer is just around the corner, and you know we all want to be out by the pool, chillaxing, soaking up that sun. But getting that pool open comes a great responsibility of keeping it clean. Well, that's where you're in luck, because today's video is brought to you by Paxos, and we'll be checking out a robotic pool cleaner that will do all the pool cleaning for you, so you don't even have to get in the pool to keep it clean. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. Starting out, if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell if you'd like to receive notifications. But first thing is first, to get the pool cleaning started, we're going to have to get this bad boy out of the box, charge it up, and then we'll check her out. Okay, so we have the Paxos pool cleaner. This is a cordless robotic pool cleaner we'll be checking out. Let's get it out of the box to see what we have. Right on top, we have the paperwork and some attachments like the charging adapter, a brush for the bottom of the unit, a floating pickup handle which will float and allow you to pick up the unit from the bottom of the pool, some fins, and of course your paperwork and extended warranty card. Then underneath the cardboard here, we have the unit itself, white and blue. Get it out. Get the plastic off of it. And look at this thing. Very nice, very nice. So the jets will go through right here. Your fins will attach right here. You can lift the top off the unit by pulling the handles out a little bit, and you can see the trash filter. This is where we'll pick the trash up from the bottom of the pool. Then it filters it out with the filter screen. And then your unit sets right on top and will snap into place like so. That is everything you get right out of the box. We're going to get this thing put together and charge it up and go clean the pool. After getting this bad boy charged up, let me tell you, it will definitely do some work. Getting it started is very simple. You have a knob right on top of the unit. You will twist the knob and it will turn the unit on. Then you are ready to lower it down in the pool. Of course, it will sink on its own and do everything it's supposed to, and once it reaches the bottom, the jets will kick on and it will start the cleaning process. And let me tell you, it will definitely make some tracks in the pool. And when I say tracks, I mean a clean spot where the trash is being picked up, of course. With the unit running in the first few minutes, I definitely realized that these wheels are a tremendous help on cleaning these pools. Runs across an above ground pool with a liner with no problem. And with the super cleaning performance, it will easily pick up the leaves, fine sand, clay dust, and dirt all in the floor of your pool. You know, the part where it sinks down and gets in those hard to reach places, this thing actually gets it. And earlier you heard correctly when I said this unit has a 5,000 milliamp battery in it. And of course, it is all built into a special battery compartment inside the unit with a waterproof rating of IPX8. And did you know that you can actually control this unit really well? The jet nozzle are also made to be adjustable, meaning you can turn the nozzle settings, adjusting to different types of swimming pools. But in this pool test, we actually did not have to do any adjusting, and the unit caught all the trash on its own with the 0-degree settings. And let me tell you, this thing was really impressive. The 5,000 milliamp lithium ion battery, which can achieve up to 60 to 90 minutes of work, definitely does a great job covering the pool and giving you enough runtime to pick up all the trash you need in a cleaning session. And of course, the unit will be back up and ready to go after about 4 to 6 hours of charge time. And I know you remember me saying that you didn't even have to get in the pool to clean it, and that is true. The unit comes with a rope that ties to the top of it, allowing a floating handle to float on the top of your pool. That way when it is done with its self-cleaning process, where it will normally stop around the edge of the pool, making it easy to reach down, grab the handle, fish out the unit without any issues, or even getting wet. And once you've got the unit fished out, the top easily comes off, allowing you to remove the screen and easily clean it up afterwards. But once you get it cleaned up, you get that 4 to 6 hour charge in and you're ready to go once again, especially if you need to pick up more trash. So that being said, I can easily see you getting 2 cleaning sessions in a good day. And of course, that's only if you don't run the unit a lot and, you know, let your pool get dirty. But that's what this unit's for, keeping your pool from getting dirty. So why are you being lazy? Just drop it in. Do some cleaning. Overall, this unit has been excellent running, cleaning up the pool. I've been highly impressed with it, and I would recommend you to pick one up if you're looking into a nice pool cleaner. Of course, we have all of our links and details located in the description if you'd like to check it out for yourself. But it is definitely a vacuum that I would recommend you to check out, put it in your pool, and help you keep it clean for the summertime fun you're gonna have. I would also like to give Pactus a huge shout out for partnering up with us so we could give you this review. So if you found it helpful, then be sure to hit that like button and get in the comments. Let us know what your thoughts are on this pool cleaner. And of course, if you want to keep up with all the latest content and deals, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell to receive notifications. Well, that is going to wrap it up for today's episode. Once again, all of our links and details are in the description. This is an awesome pool cleaner and I would highly recommend you to check it out. But until next time, thank you so much for watching and I'll be seeing you guys in the next review.